Okay, I'm going to show you the age line of the Naruto characters. Now on Naruto's official bio, it says that in the first season, which is Naruto, not Shippuden, he is 12 to 13. So I'm just going to pretend that he's 13 because it's the end of the series because Shippuden's already started. This is Gaara. Gaara
is a monkey.
No, Gaara is 12. This is Naruto. Believe it! Naruto's 13. Move over, Gaara. This is Neji. Neji is 14. This is Kankuro. 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 12, 13, 14. He's 15 because he's a year older than Neji, and he's 2 years older than Gaara. See, a year older than Neji, 2 years older than Gaara, who's his brother. And this is Temari because we had no more monkeys. Temari is 16. That's the Naruto age line. Yeah.
We done?